In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a bonus module. This is going to be a quick and easy video. So to create a bonus module, we're just going to come here and I'm going to add a new module. And I'm just going to call this bonus. And here, I'll be able to say whether or not this is a bonus. And so yes, I'm going to make it a bonus. And if we hover over our little tooltip over here, it's going to tell us that bonus modules are never locked and are excluded from the completion statistics. So what this means is that your students will immediately have access to any bonus modules that they have been given access to, and they will not be included in the completion statistics. So if you've got 100 items in your bonus module here, they don't need to complete all 100 items in that bonus module in order to complete the course. So completing the course will be completing the welcome module week 1, week 2, and week 3, but it's not going to include the bonus module. So anything you put in this bonus module, they'll have access to, they'll be able to go through it at their own pace, and it's going to be immediately available to them. I am also just going to turn off the delay for this module, and I'm going to hit save. I do also want that to be published. Let me just go ahead and publish that as well. But like I said, this lesson was going to be quick and easy, and that's how you create a bonus module. In the next lesson, we're going to get a little bit more advanced, and I'm going to show you how to limit access to certain modules so that only users who've purchased a specific type of the program will have access to them. I'm going to show you how to set up the product for the program so that they can purchase it and get that access card. I'm going to show you how to create the access levels, and I'm going to show you how to apply those access levels to the modules. All right, so that's a little bit more of a complicated video, so I'll see you in the next one.